Hey guys, welcome to this video.
Anti-math.
So for this video, we're going to go over slope. So we'll do this one right here. We have 5 problems that I don't have videos for yet, so we'll just make one right now. So up here in the corner is the slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we are going to be using this formula for all these problems. This is x1. And this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. And we're just going to use this formula. So it's a y2 minus y1, so it's going to be 5 minus 4 over, and then x2 minus x1, which is 7 minus 2. 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 1/5 is the answer to number 1. And that's how all these are done. So for number 2, this is our x1, this is our y1, this is our x2, and this is our y2. So same thing, y2 minus the y1, so it's going to be negative 7 minus 11 divided by, and then x2 minus the x1, that's going to be 6 minus negative 2. Minus a negative becomes positive, so it's going to be 6 plus 2. Negative 7 minus 11 is negative 18, and 6 plus 2 is 8. And then we can simplify this. They're both divisible by 2. So we end up getting negative 9 over 4. And that is the answer to number 2. So number 3, same thing. We have x1, y1, x2, and y2. And we're going to subtract y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So y2, so this is 3 minus 3, and then 10 minus 8. So 3 minus 3 gives us 0, and 10 minus 8 gives us 2. 0 divided by 2 is 0, so this slope is 0. And a 0 slope is a horizontal line. So that's what the graph would look like with that slope. But the answer to this is 0. And that's it for number 3. For number 4, same thing. x1, y1, and x2, y2. And we're just going to do the formula. Negative 7 minus 2 over negative 5 minus negative 5. So on the top, negative 7 minus 2 is negative 9. And on the bottom, negative 5 minus a negative 5, a double negative would become a plus. So this is essentially negative 5 plus 5. And so we end up with negative 9 over, and negative 5 plus 5 is 0. You cannot do division by 0, so this is an undefined slope. So undefined is the answer to number 4. So we'll skip number 5 because I already have a video for that. If you want to see the video, you can go to andymath.com and click on it. And then for number 6, this one's more of a word problem version. They're telling us the slope between 2 points is 4. So that's the m over here. So we'll put a little m next to this 4. This can be our x1, and the 8 can be our y1, and the a can be our x2, and the 0 can be our y2. So now we'll just plug into this equation up here. 4 for the m equals y2 minus y1, which is 8, over x2, which is a, minus 3. So our first step here is to cross multiply. 4 times a minus 3 equals, and 0 minus 8 is negative 8 times 1. So next step, I'll distribute the 4 to the a and the negative 3. Be 4a minus 12 equals negative 8. So our whole goal is to get a by itself. What is the value of a? So we're going to add 12 to both sides. Negative 8 plus 12 is 4 equals 4a. And then we divide both sides by 4. And we get a equals 1. So a equals 1 is the answer to number 6. So if these all make sense, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Check out andymath.com for more videos and study guides. Literally type in any topic that you're working on, and there's a page here for it. with sample videos and notes and everything you could ever want. Talk to you guys later. Bye.